So are you wondering how to fix your TV when YouTube is black but have to wait for further instructions? I've been there, and settling in for a cozy night of YouTube only to find out a black screen staring back at us is not the vibe. Fear not, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the necessary steps to get your YouTube streaming smoothly on your TV once again. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's ensure your internet connection is stable. A common reason YouTube might display a black screen is a weaker internet connection. Do a speed test. Use your smartphone or computer to check your internet speed. If it's below the required speed for streaming, consider restarting your router. Reconnect Wi-Fi. Temporarily disconnect your TV from the Wi-Fi, wait a few seconds, like 60 seconds, and then reconnect. This can often resolve connectivity issues. Ethernet connection. If possible, use an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection, avoiding potential Wi-Fi signal drops. Step 2. Update your YouTube app. An outdated YouTube app can become unsurprisingly unfriendly, leading to a black screen. Navigate to the App Store on your TV and check for any available updates for the YouTube app. Automatic updates. Enable automatic updates for future convenience, ensuring you always have the latest version. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Over time, cache data and cookies build up, causing potential glitches with an app, including YouTube. Access settings. Go to the settings on your TV and find the YouTube app settings. Clear data. Select an option to clear the cache and cookies related to the YouTube app. This will refresh the app, potentially resolving the black screen issue. Step 4. Restart your TV. Sometimes the simplest solutions work the best. Restarting your TV can solve many technical hitches. Power cycle. Turn off the TV and unplug it for about 60 seconds. Then plug it back in and power it back on. This can reset any temporary glitches affecting the app's performance. Step 5. Check for TV firmware updates. Out-of-date TV firmware might be incompatible with the latest version of the YouTube app. Check manual or online. Refer to your TV's manual or manufacturer's website for instructions on how to update your TV's firmware. Automatic updates. Enable automatic firmware updates if your TV supports this feature, simplifying the process for the future. Step 6. Examine HDMI or casting device. If you're using an external device like a Chromecast, Roku, or a gaming console to stream YouTube, these also might be the cause. Inspect connection. Ensure that all cables are securely connected and not damaged. Update your device. Make sure that the device has the latest firmware updates. Reconnect devices. Try re-establishing the connection by disconnecting and then reconnecting your casting or HDMI device. Fixing the problem when YouTube goes black on your TV doesn't have to be a head scratcher. By following these steps, hopefully you can help resolve this issue and get back to enjoying your favorite content.